Alright, you hiding, you party, you walkings, you feet hairy. It was these great big flowers who comes into your ready home. She crashes on her hands, hands to a real group of people, and she introduces you as her go-to. Suddenly she completely has. You have something that multi-million and billion-dollar global brands try to get and spend more than a million Chinese get, which is trust. And you have me in spades. I'm just surprised that just big American company and can be sent to give me the lines for Australia. It is stingy. What do you think of this shoe? Yeah, happily. I'm watching the program. Spring apple. Horrible. No, so that makes you out. And again, is Fortnite that you can have an inclusivity parade, which of course they will create content for their brand and those. And she is now with still those inclusive someone. Pretty cool, right? Because I don't, so I'm not breaking the word of my idea. What is it? Really, the curtain, really, what about I need that idea? You get a conversation. You're flirting. Okay? You're flirting is an unbusiness owner and client was doing it for their hairdresser and doing it for that rate where it's over. So they're like, you can kind of get your hair done and get the dog done at the same time.